Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed on the topic iterators and generators. So today we'll be discussing on the decorators and higher order functions, right? So let's get into the definition part here. What does the decorator definition say here? A decorator is a function that modifies another function's behavior without changing its source code, right? A decorator is a function that modifies another function's behavior without changing its source code. So what does the higher function do here? Higher order functions are the functions that take other functions as arguments or return them, right? Higher order functions are the functions that take other functions as arguments or return them. So this is it for the definition of decorators as well as the higher order functions, right? So let's uh, discuss some points before getting into the example part. So higher order functions, basically what it does, it accepts or returns a function. It accepts or returns a function. So what does the decorator do? A special higher order function. Decorator is nothing but the special higher order function that wraps another function to the to add extra features like logging, authorization, etc. So that is where decorator will be very helpful, right? So this is it for the decorators as well as the higher order functions. Let's understand this one with a very simple example, right? So first let's go with a higher order function. So I'll just go with def function named greet here. So this is fine. Let me pass the function. So higher order functions are the functions that take other functions as arguments or return them accordingly with the definition. So let's pass the function here colon. So here let me go with one more this one the method wrapper. So here I'll just go with wrapper. So this is the function basically. Sorry. Yeah. Which takes another function as parameter, right? So here let me print something. Print, let's print hello. So this is fine. Next, let's call the past function. We have passed the function func, right? So let's call the past function. So I'll just call this one this is fine. We are just calling the past function here. So let's print something nice to meet you. So I'll just go with print. So this will be nice to meet you. So this will be nice to meet you. So this is fine. Let's return the function wrapper. So let's return the function wrapper. So higher order functions are the functions that take other functions as arguments or return them, right? So let's consider a wrapper as well. Let's return the wrapper here, right? So this is fine. We are done with the higher order function. Now let's decorate this one. Let's decorate manually, right? So by making use of the decorator here, I'll just go with a def. Let me go with the function name. Say underscore name here, right? So this is the function name. So within this, let's print something. So we are just decorating manually, right? So I'll just give here print. Within the print, let me give my name is Bharadwaj. My name is Bharadwaj. So this is fine. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So we are decorating this one manually, right? So I'll just go with a variable name decorated and let me assign this one to the function name is greet. This function we are considering greet, right? So greet. So within the function name greet, so accordingly with the higher order function definition, they are the functions that take other functions as argument. So let's pass the function say name. Let's pass the function say name. So I'll just come here. Let me copy this one and let me pass the function say name as the parameter here. So let me call decorated here. We are going with a decorated, right? Keyword. It's variable name. So this is fine. So what we did previously, we decorated manually. So after finishing this one, let's use the at decorator syntax here, right? So now we are making use of the greet keyword. So I'll just go with a at greet here, right? So next, let me go with the another function introduce. Introduce. So basically, let's introduce something here. So I'll just go with a print. I'll just say here I teach Python on YouTube, right? I'll just give here I teach Python on YouTube. So we are done with the this one, introduce function. So let me call the introduce function here. So I'll just give here introduce. Yeah, we have successfully called the introduce function as well. So now what is the output that we need to get here? First we are printing hello here, hello, comma. In the next line we have to get my name is Bharadwaj, because we are passing say name method within the main within the greet function. So here we are passing the means a function is taking another function as an argument here, right? So greet is taking the say name function, right? So here we have to get the output my name is Bharadwaj, right? My name is Bharadwaj. Next we are printing nice to meet you here. So after my name, hello, my name is Bharadwaj, we have to get the output nice to meet you, right? Again we need to get hello, hello. Again we need to get hello, followed by I teach Python on YouTube, I teach Python on YouTube, nice to meet you again, nice to meet you again, right? So this is the output that we need to get. Let's check the same one. I'll just give Python here. So let me copy the file name, just give me a second here. This is fine. Let me paste it over here, .py. So yeah, you can clearly see here, hello, followed by my name is Bharadwaj, nice to meet you, hello, I teach Python on YouTube, nice to meet you. We are getting the desired output. Means the code works absolutely correct, right? So here again, let me explain you certain things here. The greet function. So this one, the first, the line number 8 basically. Greet, this one is a decorator that wraps another function. See here, we have made use of the decorator greet here, right? So this is a decorator that wraps another function, introduce function basically. First, we are manually decorating the say name using grid here. This one, this step I'm speaking of line number 15 to 19, right? So first, what we are doing here, we are manually decorating the say name function using the grid. Then we are making use of the at grid here, this one. So just give me a second. Let me close this one. This one, line number 21. Then we are making use of the at greet syntax on introduce function, this one, right? So in both the cases, original function gets extended with the hello keyword and nice to meet you. In both the cases, again listen to this carefully, the original function gets extended with hello and nice to meet you, right? So you can clearly see here, hello, hello, right? Nice to meet you, nice to meet you. Only thing that we are getting that is different is my name is Bharadwaj, that is coming from the function this one, say name. And we are second one, we are getting I teach Python on YouTube, this is coming from the function introduce, right? So in both the cases, the original function gets extended with the hello and nice to meet you. So this is it for the decorators and higher order functions, right? So I hope the concept of decorators and higher order functions are completely clear, easy, right? So let me summarize whatever we have learned so far. Higher order functions make our code modular and reusable. What does higher order code functions do? Higher order functions make our code modular and reusable, readable, sorry, reusable. Decorators, what does decorators do here? Decorators are a powerful tool just to modify the function behavior cleanly, just to modify the function behavior cleanly. And what does at the decorator, this one at grid we have made use of here, right? So at the decorator syntax is Python's syntactic sugar just for applying a decorator, right? Just for applying the decorator. So this is it for the decorators and higher order functions topic, right? So next we'll be discussing on the closures and lexical scoping. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.